Congratulations on the purchase of your new Maytag dryer. Let's take a look at how to install your dryer onto a pedestal. Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1/4 inch hex head or open-ended wrench, a 9/16 inch open-end wrench, a 5/16 inch hex head ratchet, a 1/4 inch nut driver, pliers, a level, and a utility knife. We'll be tipping the dryer over on its side, so place a piece of cardboard there to protect your floors. Remove the drawer divider from your pedestal and place it on the cardboard. Now it's time to remove the pedestal drawer. Using the nut driver, remove the screws attaching your drawer. Now, remove the drawer. Warning: this is an excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install your washer or dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injuries. Enlist the help of a friend to tip the dryer over onto its side. Now, partially install your hex head screws. You only want to fasten these halfway. Once the hex head screws are installed, remove all 4 dryer feet. Now it's time to install the pedestal. Attach the pedestal to the bottom of the dryer by moving it against the dryer bottom. Slide the pedestal's keyhole slots over the 2 partially installed screws. Now secure the pedestal to the dryer by installing the 2 remaining hex head sheet metal screws. Enlist the help of a friend to help you lift the machine to an upright position. Make sure the dryer is in its final resting place and check to see if it's level. If the machine isn't level, use your open-ended wrench to adjust the feet. Check again to make sure you're level. When the machine is level, use your open-ended wrench to securely tighten all 4 jam nuts against the pedestal. Now it's time to reassemble the pedestal drawer. Pull both drawer slides out and reassemble the drawer using the 2 hex head screws we previously removed. Congratulations! You've now installed your dryer onto your new pedestal.